Hello? Hello. Hello. Hello? I'm now on the Twitch streaming mobile app, okay, dude? I'm on the Twitch mobile app streaming. And they made me rotate. They made me rotate. What does this mean for society? I miss IG Live. I do too. Now I'm like, what's that meme where it's like made to poop, forced to wipe, or whatever? That's like kind of like what this meme is. Made to stream, forced to rotate, dude. 3 viewers, what a loser. Dude, that's more viewers than you'll ever get. Because your mama isn't going to watch. Grandma not going to watch. Your friends aren't going to watch. Fuck you, loser. Ratioed. What the hell? Can y'all boost? Can I get boosted? Is that true? Get somebody like really big to raid me. Is that possible? Who's alive right now that like we can convince to raid me? Who's alive? Aiden Ross. Let's get Aiden Ross to raid me. No, just kidding. Do not. No. Ninja raid. Thank you. That would be really funny, though. I wish I could get, like, a big raid right now. I'm chilling in bed. But alas. Maybe. Ooh. Why is it always flipped? I hate this. Whoa. Chat. Do I even see if I could get an alert here? Like, that's another thing is, if I get, like, a sub, I don't know if I'm going to see it. Aiden raid? Yo, what's up, Aiden? Yo. I don't think you can see it, to BH. Damn. Thinking about you. Some person named Tom Simons just DM'd me saying, yo. Who is he? Kidding, I'm joking around. Okay, chat, let's talk about real life. Do I get a haircut or do I let it grow? Look me in the eyes. I'm like debating it. Grow, let it grow. Let it grow. Go bald. Let it grow. Grow. I'm seeing a lot of shave your head bald. I just like, the thing is, right, this is not normal hair. This is like me, like pushing it down, you know, whatever. But I don't, mullet? I've done a mullet and it's gross. My mullets are gross, dude. I got like grandma mullet. Shiny? It's because of the oil that I harvest from my hair. No, I don't know. Should I have like a haircut like this? Hello, everybody. Hello. I don't know. Curtis Connor wannabe. How the fuck am I anything like Curtis Connor? We stream on the same platform and we upload on the same platform. Is that it? Like, I don't know what you want from me. I can't keep the doctors away. Oh, yeah, there's like a... Have you heard of the Suspicious version of this song? Think about cocking my asshole, I slur
whip that shit up. I'm thinking about ballsack coming. You know my dick is 10 times bigger than Skeppy's, 10 times bigger than George. Thinking about it.
That sounds like Skeppy. Because it was. This is the real version. Not virgin. Version. I can't speak properly, okay, dude? See, this is my good angle from the other. Like, I don't even know, dude. Ugh. Whatever, dude. What's a video I can watch? Anybody got any, like, good ideas for me to watch stuff? React Andy on my iPad. I'm like, whoa, guys, that's crazy. This is what I'm talking about. Like, I am Steve Jobs. I'm Michelangelo in the flesh. I don't think you understand. Like, I come up with these crazy ideas that, like, nobody in a million years would even think of. React Andy in bed on my iPad. Tell me right now, nobody's in the game doing it quite like me. Nobody is. Nobody is. 4 ads, this is so sad. Dude, thank you so much for running ads, even though I'm on my phone. Dude, this fucking new... Anybody hear this new Omar Apollo song? This Caliucci's verse. Ooh. Where is it? Hold on. It got me like, ooh! I love that one with my whole heart. Oh! I love that woman. I love her. God. Lord. Santa, put her under my Christmas tree. I'm going offline. Going offline. Can't do it after that one. Sorry. Sorry about that. I don't know, man. She makes my heart go pitter patter. Ugh. Butter ad. What? What? Don't shame him. He's right. Legitimately, though. Legitimately. Like, am I wrong? Am I wrong, chat? Am I wrong? No, I'm not. Butter dog. Dog with the butter on him. What's some other, like, cool songs? BTS Butter was playing on my ad. Dude, I love Weston, but that man had a Do Not Laugh challenge video, and y'all really gave him 5 million K-pop videos. Like, hello? You need to do better for that guy. He's amazing, and you showed up, and you gave him 5 million K-pop videos. And, like, I almost, like, tweeted K-pop more like K-poop again because of how much you all were fucking putting videos in that shit. Like, y'all are crazy. And I know it's probably not you all. You know, you all are the cool ones. You know what I'm saying? But you know, it was just like I was watching, I was enjoying my friends. You know, I was enjoying my good friend Weston stream all the way from Kentucky. And, you know, I'm just looking, and I just see 5 K-pop videos in a row, and I think to myself, ooh, I wish I could time these people out, teach them a lesson, make them do their homework. I don't know, something. Because I just know that, yeah. Why do you look like Jonah Hill from Superbad? Is this your first time on Twitch.tv? Hello? Nice to meet you. Whoa. I mean, I almost did go as him for Halloween. Hands off the keyboard. This is my iPad now. What is this song? What the hell? That's not available anymore? What's a good song that I have? I'm looking at my, like, watch later on my iPad. Because I, like, keep my songs on there, you know? Wait, somebody gifted 14 months? Who did that? It's a bad life can live. It's a bad life can live. Eliza. Thank you so much for the 14 months. Evelyn Nermo. Thank you for the 4 months. Thank you all so much for the raids, the subs, the just everything in general. You are awesome. You know what I'm saying? What's that? No, that's... Oh, never mind. Not that one. Yeah, like that. The heart. Not the sign. You know, like how the TikTok people, they do that. Ew. What are you saying? Ew, dude. Fucking time that person out. I'm done. I'm done with this, dude. It's whatever. It's whatever, dude. Like, you're just gonna be rude. It's a bad life to live. My pride. Every time. What do I pull up on my iPad? Baby Shark? No. Liza Koshy NFT? I don't know what the fuck you... Like, that's like a randomized sentence you just sent, but, like, elaborate on that. What do you mean? Liza Koshy NFT. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Liza Koshy NFT. I'm looking this up now. You got me looking up Liza Koshy NFT. Watching you on my projector feels like I'm watching a Hoover documentary at the theater. And that's when I hit him. Hoover would do one last stream before the incident. A torpedo would hit his house 5 minutes after the stream ended. Can you watch the fruit video for babies? You know what's funny? You say that, but, like, legitimately, that's actually what I was going to type in. Like, fruit sensory video. Can somebody tell me about that Liza Koshy NFT? I'm not looking it up anymore. This is what Weston and Caleb put on when, like, they want to eat dinner and then they don't, like, want me bothering them. Oh my god. I mean, like, I forget. Okay, dude, never mind. I can't show my iPad because my fucking messages are linked to my iPad. So now, all these messages are coming through. Drama, juice. Someone play this when he went to the potty once. Do not disturb. It's not even drama. It's Weston talking about the fucking League of Legends and Netflix show. He said, everyone on Twitter keeps saying that. I need to watch it. Of course he would. He's a little League of Legends nerd. He listens to Lily Pichu. Michael. No. Michael. Scara. Nope, I just clicked on a Germa video. Weston is a once. Is that like a K-pop song? Band, whatever. No, that's twice. Never mind. It is? Wait, what? Is that a twice fan is called a once? You're shitting me. What's a thrice? It's like an anti? Yeah, what the hell? You all are confusing as fuck. Call yourself like twice people. I don't know. Damn, they get a lot of views though. Maybe I should do some K-pop songs. No, I'm kidding. I'm joking. I'm joking. Ugh. There's this one group, and their fandom name is AIDS, and I'm not joking. Elaborate on that. Their nickname, or their group name, whatever it is AIDS. Oh, yeah? What is it? Like, who is it? Like, how do you... It's DIA's fandom is aid. So then they call themselves AIDS. I'm an aid. That's kind of crazy.
If all of the kings had their queens on the throne, we would pop champagne and raise a toast to all of the queens who are fighting alone. Baby, you're not dancing.
Why do you all say... No, hold on. Why do you all say mute to Ava Max? What? Fuck it, I'm playing Pooh Shiesty now. Hey! Have you seen that TikTok where he's like reading hate messages and then he goes, somebody said, Pooh shitty. I'm gonna see if I can find it. The TikTok where he's like, so he's like, Pooh shitty. I liked it on TikTok. I know that much. I'll pull up. I'm not gonna pull it up on my iPad. I'm too nervous now. And I know you're gonna say do not disturb, but I don't know what else could possibly pop up on my iPad not knowing anything. Hold on. Pooh shitty. Where is it? Have you all been getting this guy's TikToks? Hold on.
1, 2, 3, 4. Them boys be mad I took their poll. 5, 6, 7, 8. They tell J. Cole. 9, 10, 11, fuck 12. But he's on parole. 13, 14, 15, 16. And he's speaking Espanol.
I literally get a fucking TikTok from this guy every single day, and it's not stopped. God. I don't even know. Oh my god, I just realized I don't have Do Not Disturb on my fucking iPad, I think. Oh my god. So I literally can't. That's how outdated my fucking iPad is.
You want pizza there? Who are you gonna call when games are there? Who are you gonna call when there's an animatronic bear? Come down to Freddy Fazbear Pizza Fred Bear. You want pizza there? Who are you gonna call
when there's pizza there? I'll just play audios. Actually, I'll take the risk. I literally have watched this one 5 million times. I don't know why it's so addicting. Bum, 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 bum. Motherfucker has TikTok for iPad. Shut up. Shut up. Bum, ba bum. No, no, no.
Should I get a dog? Your cat is like, oh, no, 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 no. We're not getting a dog. Don't even think about it, girl.
That's a good one. It's so unnecessary. I've also gotten this one on my For You page maybe 16 times.
I'm gonna brown. What? I'm shitting!
I'm gonna brown! I was like the I'm gonna brown part. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. That's so sad. 1 week of Twitter politics and League of Legends. No parole. What else is on here? Byron. Oh my God.
Who's the president, man? Who's the president?
Byron.
Who's the president?
Byron.
We live back in Coney Island with who's the
Byron.
president, man? Who's the president? Byron.
I love that. I gotta play it one more time. God, so good. Also, I love this guy.
When you want pizza there? Who are you gonna call when games are there? Who are you gonna call when there's an animatronic bear? Come down to Freddy
I
Fazbear
love that.
Pizza
I
Fred
love
Bear.
that little rat. Also, okay, listen here, Swifties. I'm on your side, okay? I think that Jake Gyllenhaal guy is pretty weird. But I did like this TikTok just purely based out of how, like, insane it is.
Southside niggas that know me best. I feel like me and Taylor might still have sex. Why? I made that bitch famous.
The end part.
I made that bitch famous. Southside niggas.
So good. It's so tiny on my iPad, dude. I feel like I'm a grandpa. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. How y'all doing? I made that bitch famous. Can you imagine if I tweeted that out? That video of Jake Gyllenhaal dancing to Kanye West. Oh my God, Taylor. That's such a good video. Rami Binky Cat, thank you for 11 months. Thank you. That's so good. That's Jake S. video. I know. I love it. It's so funny. SpongeBob, SpongeBob, Patrick, Mr. Krabs.
Hi, I'm Bunny. Hey, I'm Z. What's up? Hi, I'm Oliver. Hey, everybody, I'm Ben.
TikTok is truly crazy. Hi guys, I'm Ben. Have you heard the Charlie version? No. Oh my God, Will Ferrell.
You gotta mimic me. You gotta get it right. Okay.
Period. Charlie, Dixie, Noah Beck. Oh, I thought you were talking about like the Hi Guys, I'm Ben. I thought you were talking about that one. I was like, no, I haven't heard the Charlie version of that. I was like, what the fuck are you talking about? Hopefully there's not... Whatever. Snoopy. Woodstock. Charlie Brown. Linus. Snoopy. Hoover, Axel, Weston, Kaylin, James Marriott, Aria, Stompa, Prezzo. Did anyone see what I put in Connor's chat the other day? I said, this dude playing Prezomon Stompa Silver. Can I get a like for that one? I thought it was a good joke. Prezomon Stompa Silver is a great game. You should tweet that. I literally would get blocked by multiple people. I have Anthony Padilla following me. You think Anthony Padilla is going to like Prezomon Stompa Silver? I forget about like who follows me. Mr. Beast follows me, dude. Do you think Mr. Beast has literally seen any of my tweets? I don't know. Anthony Wood, he loves Prezzo. Mr. Beast loves Prezzo. I actually would believe that. There's so many people that just love Prezzo. Prezzo's such a funny dude. Love Prezzo. Are you back home? Does this not tell you? I am. Sandy, Sandy, Sandy. Mr. Krabs, Mr. Krabs. My Mr. Beast Squid Game merch came in today, and there are hoes knocking on my door. Those aren't the hoes. That's the IRS. You're going to jail. How long are you going to be home for, people think? I'll be here until Monday, I think. Then I'll be back with the Corys. And I'll be streaming again on my normal setup. Because I feel like I realized, like, I don't like streaming. Like, I was for a bit, I was like, I don't really like streaming. But then after not being able to go on a computer, I'm like, I kind of want to stream again. So, you know. Floor wall. SpongeBob, SpongeBob, Patrick, Patrick. Are you going to be in Mr. Beast's Squid Game? You know, I was supposed to be in a video. No! I'm putting it on the ceiling. I gotta sit up. I like your bed frame. This is the same one that I have at home, but this one's like actually well built. Like the one in my room at the Allison house is like, it's like made out of like fucking Legos and glue, dude. Like I did not build it very well. Also, I'm pretty sure like I had Weston and Kaylin to help me build it before we like went to go do something. So like we kind of like speed built it. This stream is giving me Impractical Joker vibes. Thank you so much, Stone PA. I want to play the intro. Don't bring anyone mothers into this. Oh, that's another one.
Something amazing. Hey, mustache, what's up?
Rami!
I will never forgive you.
Today, guys, we're going to be going to Stonepa's house, and we're going to be taking out all the dishes and getting them dirty and blaming it on Stonepa. His parents will be pissed. I will never forgive you, Larry! What if Joe was actually saying Lorray? What if he was looking for TikTok user Lorray? We never knew. That would be a plot twist. Lorray. Yo, Kenny Beats has texted me. He says, I want you in the studio. And I said, I just love to lie. Okay, parasocial fuck. I'm literally at home right now. Damn, Stumpa's causing drama. Causing drama in chat. You know what we gotta play? You know what we gotta play, guys? Hold on. Stompa, keep it still. I don't know what I'm trying to say. When I see drama in my chat, I'd be like... Stone PA is going wild in the Hoover chat. We pulled up the logs and Stonepa was saying, you parasocial fuck, I'm at home right now. We reached out to Stonepa for comments, but he declined. Fuck you and your ugly ass daughter. What the hell? I love that meme. That video is honestly insane. Let's get right into the news. Our first story is reporting from Pokemon that said, whoa, they said Prezomon will be coming out in 2023. Isn't that crazy? Prezomon's going to be real. Wait, Stompa, did you hear that joke I said in Connor's chat? Did you even see that? Prezzo did. I said, this dude playing Prezomon, Stompa Silver. New joke alert. New Stompa and Prezzo joke alert. He's gone. Haha, nice. Okay. Stone PA's a bitch. I just electrocuted myself. Let's not make this about you. Guys, I have a photo of Stonepa's grandfather. If you want this back, Stonepa, you'll wire me $5,000 in Bitcoin. Patrick. Might just say fuck it and watch a video that you all can't see.
Gonna end. Tuesday, November 30th is our big and final charity live stream benefiting St. Jude. It is the single biggest YouTube collaboration of the year. 50 creators across 9
Bobo's gonna be in it.
We have everything from Markiplier doing trumpet solos and Dawko doing contortions to Corpse Husband reading children's books and Dream getting dunked on in Squid Game. There's even giveaways.
Dream getting dunked on in Squid Game. That's funny. That's just like an insane like line. Like I'm very happy that he's doing this big challenge for St. Jude's. It's for a good cause, but that is actually such a funny string of words. Dunking on Dream in Squid Game. Hello everyone.
Hello everyone. This is Running on Empty Food Review. Well, hello ladies, gentlemen, and everyone watching right now. I was going to say listening. I guess you would be listening too.
No, they're listening.
Welcome. Thanks for tuning in.
No, they're not even watching. They're
edition of
listening.
the
He
Running
knew.
on Empty
Isn't that
Food
crazy
Series?
that the one video I click on, he randomly throws in listening, even though that it's a video, so he knows people would just be watching and listening, but he threw it in there. Kind of crazy. Makes you think. Whatever. Let's talk about that. No. What else is there to do? There's not a lot to do here. That's the problem. Like, I wish I had more to do here. I mean, it's fine. Here's the thing. I do like doing completely nothing for like a week. It feels nice. It's like a refresher on the brain. Because I've been doing so much, and then I've been in England for 10 days. And now I'm back home with my lovely parents. Or actually, my dad's in California. My mom is here. And I'll be seeing Boompa and Nana for Thanksgiving. But, it's nice. It's nice to unplug. Wake up at 3 p.m. and not have coffee thrown in my face from a Corey saying, we need you to film for Cindy Drowning. We need you to edit. We need you to give us $5 million. I don't know. Just kidding. But it is nice just being at home. Because I feel like I haven't been home. I literally have not been home in over half a year. That's kind of crazy to think about. Like, I feel like I moved out like a month ago, but it's been like half a year. Like, legitimately, it's been half a year almost. So, it's kind of crazy. No, Weston Corey's not a landlord. He's not a landlord. Do you believe in love after love? It's been that long already? I know. It's, you know what's probably the case is you all probably don't believe that it's been that long because my ass has not been really doing a whole lot. And I'm sorry. But I promised you 12-hour stream. It's happening in December. It's happening in December. It will happen. Do you believe in love after love? Can we see Blue? Blue has like gnats. Not like, okay, what's the word for it? Not like gnats like the bug. What's the term? Not fleas. Like they're like, it's like in your hair. Mats. She has mats in her hair. And she's going to the groomers, so she doesn't look too great right now. And we had to, like, cut some. So, no. Maybe I could see if Turbo. Thing is, also, is it's 12 a.m., guys. It's 12 a.m. Turbo usually has been This dude's been sleeping with me. Like, in my bed. Which is, like, I feel like kind of rare because I haven't had any, like, animal sleep in my bed for half a year. So I've kind of forgotten that feeling. And it feels nice to have an animal that loves me. Like Turbo. I think he's sleeping upstairs in my mom's room, though. Y'all can't even see me. House tour. No. No. Oh my god, you literally can't see anything. No. Oh, do you believe in love after love? 5 ads? I got 5 ads? No way. That's crazy. Yo, Gramlot's typing in chat like he's never been here before. I don't know what I'm saying. I might go outside for a second. It's kind of nice out. And by nice, I mean like 55 degrees. There could be a cat out here. I'm outside. Any cats out here? I don't think so. It's crazy that I'm just outside. So quirky of me. You have like the lights out. Omegalo, Libby Lou, thank you for the 4 months. This is like this one time when I was in call with like Axel and Kaylin, I think. And I like just went into my car. But no, I don't have a car. Isn't that awesome? There's a chair out here. But yeah. So why did he say no to Blue again? Because one thing is, Blue is an anxious dog. And I'm not going to like wake her up. Because I think she's also asleep. And she's got mats all over her fur. So we had to cut them off. But yeah. You'll see a photo of Blue before I leave. Don't worry about that. Can you see the smoke? A little bit? It's cold. I love the cold though, dude. I love it like really cold. In Austin, it's just like kind of cold. But here, it's cold, baby. It's cold. I really can't stay. Baby, it's cold outside. Careful about showing your house. Oh, I realize. But guess what? This whole house will be sold before you know it. So don't worry. Also, you really can't see anything when it's in the dark. But yeah. Chat. I might go to bed. It's like almost, what? It's 12 a.m.? I'm like in the void. He was forced to eat cement. Why was he forced to eat cement? Like, can we talk about that for a second? Like, stand up bedtime. Why was he forced to eat cement? I don't get it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. God. It is cold out here. I'm going to stay out here for like a little bit. But, chat, I think I'm going to go. Thank you all for coming out to my IG live. But yeah, thank you for all the subs, all the love. I might be back on my phone this week. I don't know. Don't count on it. But I'll definitely be back next week on my computer. Because it'll be Christmas time. Yay! And that means I get like more ads and more money. And I love money. And I love money. But yeah, guys, thank you so much. Hope you all have a great night. Great Thanksgiving if I don't stream. Thanksgiving time, you know. But yeah, see you all later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody.